Hey everyone, this is Kaiwan, and yes, I am back with another video. It's funny, but I never been this active on YouTube before, so let me clap for myself. Thank you guys, thank you, that's very nice of you. That means a lot, guys, thank you. Anyway guys, so today I'm going to show you guys 3 of my tricks or hacks to enhance your Instagram looks. Whether you are a photographer, content creator, or just a regular boring person who wants to have dope story looks, you are in the right place. So let's just get started. So when you are putting a post in your story, whether it's your own post that you want to promote or someone else's post, Instagram automatically fills the color with the similar colors of that photo or a video, which is really boring to be honest. So here's a better way to stand out. Right now I'm in Instagram and let's say I want to post this on my story. So all you have to do, add to your story. So right now, as you can tell, the background is blurred in a way. So what Instagram is doing is putting a gradient of the similar color. So from like the bottom to the top. So to make it more interesting, we're gonna add a blurry background with the same photo or the same post that we have. So to do that, you need to have a duplicated photo of the original photo, and then we're gonna go to edit and make sure you have this, and then go with 9:16 and vertical mode. Make sure to set up with vertical mode because this is the size of our stories in Instagram. And then click done, and then we're gonna blur this picture. So to blur this picture, I use straight away, I go to Snapseed. So in Snapseed, what I do, I go to lens blur and I add as much blur as I like, around somewhere here, and then I put, yeah, and I don't want to go like so much, I don't want to put so much blur here. I think around 40 would be really nice. And then save this picture just like this. Now we need to copy that picture on our gallery. So we have copy photo, and then we're gonna go straight back to Instagram, and as you can tell, we have add sticker, and we're gonna add to the sticker. Now we have the copy photo, but here's the tricky part, how we can put this as a blurry background. Now it's covered. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put this in the side and then put this in this side here, just like this. And then you're gonna cover this again until it filled the whole screen. Yeah, now you're gonna tap like this slowly until you can catch the post again. It might take, sometimes it take me like straight 2 minutes to get. Now I got it. So as you can tell, here we have it. It's really nice. It's really nice, and it's a really creative way to promote any post, and I really love it. Alright, so with this trick, it's very easy. You don't need to do much. All you need to do is just to go your camera on your Instagram, and then we have normal, boomerang, then we have layout. And here you can add as much photos to create like a collage photo. And my favorite would be this one, where you can add like your horizontal photo to create like a really nice cinematic look for your Instagram stories. So here, let's say I want to add 3 of my photos, this one, and another one here, and pretty much another one here. So as you can tell, it's very nice, and you can post right away, or you can just save it if you want to keep it for yourself. If you don't know, I'm a huge fan of typography, and I think it's a great way to implement into your photography, filmmaking. It's a great way to showcase something. So with the Instagram fonts, I'm really not happy with it. The way they did it, it was not designed to be like cinematic, or it's just designed to be normal and decent, and I get it. But you can make it better. Like what I usually do, I go to classic, and I double on my caps, so you can have everything on capital. And what you can do, for example, let's say I'm gonna write Kaiwan Shaban. Okay, let's say K. Let's go with K and then make a space. And then A, make another space. And then I, and just so on. And then between each word, make double space and then do the same process. And this is a great way to take advantage from like Instagram phones, and you can really be creative with it. Like personally, I really like adding space between my letters when I write something. It looks just more cinematic, and it looks fancier, to be honest. It's just, I don't know if that's the right word. Hey guys, these are my 3 tricks and I wanted to share with you guys. If you liked it, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because the algorithm of YouTube, it works this way. If you don't like this video, it will not be recommended to anyone. It will be stuck in one place. So I would highly appreciate if you liked it. And if you want to support my channel, you can check out my store, kaiwanproduction.com, where you can find a lot of preset packs and lots overlay, essential tools and digital asset for your photography and filmmaking. Stay safe, love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.